how to recover GitHub account password. So if you want to recover GitHub account password, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google and search for GitHub unable to sign in. And here you will have unable to sign in, which is on the first, support.github.com. You need to tap on it, scroll down, and now you need to enter your email address and select the reason why you're not being able to sign in. So enter your email address. After that, select a reason, like for example, account logged or forgot password or any other reason, and then verify at first. After verifying, go with submit, which will be on the bottom. And you need to verify your email again. So enter the code that you've received to your email address that you've just entered. After receiving the code, you need to enter the code here. And after entering your code, proceed with the following support section. And within a few minutes or within a few hours, GitHub support will reach you and assist with your problem. So that's how you can fix or recover GitHub account password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.